Hi Mark. I was absolutely delighted to hear you've finally decided to book that hot air balloon excursion. Since it's your first time and you're feeling a bit apprehensive, I'd suggest a few strategies to ensure you get the absolute most out of the experience. Firstly, I'd highly recommend opting for a sunrise launch if possible. The atmospheric conditions are generally more stable in the early morning, and the golden hour light provides a truly breathtaking backdrop for photography. Regarding your attire, I'd suggest wearing sturdy, closed-toe footwear and dressing in breathable layers. You'll likely be embarking from an open field, so practical shoes are an absolute must. Also consider bringing a brimmed hat. The heat from the propane burners above the basket can be quite intense, even when the surrounding air is cool. If you're feeling any trepidation regarding the altitude, try to focus your gaze on the horizon rather than looking straight down. It helps immensely with maintaining your equilibrium. Most importantly, ensure your devices are fully charged and have plenty of storage space, as you'll be tempted to capture every single moment of those panoramic vistas. It's an ethereal, tranquil experience unlike any other, so just try to stay present and enjoy the serenity. Have a safe and wonderful flight.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website, testpass.ca, and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at whatever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.